$3 million. Let's just sit with that for a second. That's not a house. That's not a yacht. That's a car. A Swedish car. Built by fewer people than your local coffee shop employs. And right now, you're about to drive it. The key drops into your palm. You fold yourself into the cabin, the door swings up in that iconic dihedral synchro helix arc, and suddenly, $3 million doesn't feel abstract anymore. It feels like it's wrapped around your entire body. So here's the question we're actually answering today. Is this the greatest value in hypercars, or just the world's most expensive flex? We're going dollar by dollar. Buckle up. Let's start with the number that matters most before you even turn the key, the performance. The CC850's twin-turbo, 5.0-liter V8 produces 185 horsepower on regular fuel, and on E85 that climbs to 385 horsepower. Here's the part that scrambles your brain. The whole car weighs roughly 385 kilograms. Horsepower equals weight. In kilograms. That is not a coincidence, that is a flex calculated to the decimal point. 0 to 60 comes in around 2.3 seconds, and the car keeps pulling until your concept of speed has been permanently recalibrated. Dollar for dollar on raw power? This is actually a bargain. Yes, I said it, but raw power is easy to buy. What you cannot buy at any price is what comes next. The transmission. Koenigsegg's engaged shift system looks like a conventional 6-speed gated manual, but it isn't. It can change the ratios of the gearbox to offer varying performance depending on drive mode, and in automatic mode it delivers 9 gears for a more relaxed experience. One car, one gearbox, 2 completely different personalities. That's not engineering, that's sorcery. Nobody else on the planet has it. You're paying for an invention, not just a car. Now, the invention has to come from somewhere. In a hangar that once housed Sweden's most fearsome fighter squadrons near Ängelholm, Koenigsegg makes tarmac-destroying cars out of carbon fiber and madness. Design, engineering, carbon fiber manufacturing, and engine assembly all happen under one roof. No shortcuts, no outsourcing the hard parts. Each car contains over 300 handmade carbon fiber components, vigorously inspected for quality. The interior alone takes a month of work. Paint, 1,000 hours, not including polishing. 1,000 hours. Just for paint. This is where $3 million starts making uncomfortable sense. The carbon fiber wheels cost $65,000 each. 50 hours of hand-laying carbon into an aluminum mold, then 45 hours of oven curing per wheel. The entire build takes around 4 hours per car. Nearly half a year of full-time human labor for one vehicle. When you press your hand against the dashboard, you're not touching a product. You're touching the result of someone's obsession. And now, the thing that makes obsession worth $3 million. Exclusivity. Each of the 70 units is built to the owner's exact specifications, and the CC850 is already sold out. 70 total ever. With only 250 to 300 customer cars produced across more than 2 decades, Koenigsegg has maintained an almost mythical status. In a world where Ferrari produces over 13 001 cars annually, Koenigsegg's triple-digit production numbers make each car genuinely rare. You are not buying a hypercar. You are buying membership into a club so exclusive that most billionaires aren't in it. But exclusivity on paper is one thing. The raw experience either closes the deal or kills it. You press the throttle past halfway. The V8 doesn't roar, it detonates. The carbon fiber monocoque doesn't flex, doesn't float. At the most intense speeds, the car feels engineered rather than chaotic. That's the sentence right there. A car with over 300 horsepower that feels controlled. Anyone can build something fast. Building something fast that you can actually trust, that's the masterpiece. So here's the honest verdict. Is the Koenigsegg worth $3 million? By every metric, cost per horsepower, cost per technology, cost per unit of exclusivity, the answer is yes. Uncomfortably, surprisingly, undeniably yes. This isn't a car you buy to show people you have money. This is a car you buy because you've run out of things money can impress you with, and you need something that impresses you back. If this breakdown changed how you think about what a hypercar is actually worth, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started. Drop your verdict in the comments. Greatest value in hypercars or world's most expensive flex? Let's hear it.